Welcome again to Mhelbeth's table. Today I will show you how to make this very special recipe. Especially guys, holidays is fast approaching. I know you love to have this on your table on those holiday seasons. That's why Mhelbeth's table will bring you this very delicious recipe. This is what we call the chicken morcon. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. Alright guys, today I will be using chicken breast. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my gloves, and I already tenderized some of my chicken breast here, but I still have one here to show you on how to make it. This is the full chicken breast guys. I will just slice up on the middle like this. There you go. Okay, so I slice up at the middle, and then I will tenderize it like this. You can use the back of your knife. Okay. So that's how we do it guys. Then I'll add up in there, and I'll set this aside. Okay, and my knife as well. Alright, so I'll put in my chicken here. We will marinate our chicken with soy sauce. Alright, and pineapple juice. Full measurement guys is posted. You can just take a picture or a screenshot. And a lemon juice. I need to add ground black pepper and half of my chopped onion. I'll use the half for stir frying later for my sauce, and also with my half garlic. Alright, so we will marinate this guys for at least 1 hour so that the chicken breast will absorb all the marinade. Okay, para magiging masarap at swabeng-swabe ang ating gagawing chicken morcon. You can use beef as well guys, or you can use pork, and you can use the same marinade. It doesn't matter. Masarap po ito, especially kung mayroon tayong mga special occasion. So I just want guys to marinate this one nicely and beautifully. Alright, so we'll cover this up with saran wrap and keep it in the fridge for about at least 1 hour before we continue with our cooking. Para maging masarap at swabeng-swabe ang ating gagawing chicken morcon. Alright. Alright guys, after 1 hour, we are now ready to assemble our morcon. Okay, I beaten 2 eggs in here in this plate. Okay. I want to add a little bit of milk para dumami. No guys, this is really good too if you add a little bit milk of your egg. Okay? Lalambot yung ating meat. Okay. So, there's no measurement. Just a little bit. Maybe 1 tablespoon. Okay? Now, I separated already the marinade of the chicken here. So, I will set that aside. And I have here the chicken. I remove it from the marinade. I want to use my gloves. Okay. So make sure guys to wear the food grade gloves. Okay, this is a food grade gloves. Alright, so I'll take 1 piece and I will show you how to do it. Okay. Okay. Now I'll put in first my ham. I have a ham over here. Okay. Mahaba ang ating meat. So, there you go. And also, hot dog. Direct love hot dog. So, I'll make some for him. Okay. And cheese. Okay. And also, I have bell pepper. And of course, hindi mawawala ang egg. Put egg on top here. With one more piece. And we will roll it like this. Okay guys, usually I use the twine to tie up, but this time I will use the toothpick. Okay, one more. Just be careful, sharp. Okay, so that's good. Now, where's our garlic? I will roll it on the, here, I will roll it on the all-purpose flour. Okay. And then on the egg, and I'll put on the breadcrumbs. There you go. Medyo messy. A little bit messy when you make it, guys, but this is so yummy. Okay. If you don't have breadcrumbs, guys, you can just use the all-purpose flour and the egg, but you have to do first the egg and then the all-purpose flour after. Okay, so I'll show you now how to put it on the stove. So I think the oil is good enough. It's hot enough. It shouldn't be very, very hot, guys. Okay, now I'll add in the Morcon, the chicken. Okay guys, on the same pan I will add my butter. And I'll add in the rest of the garlic. Okay. The onion. Then I'll add in the marinade, the one we use with the chicken. Next is the tomato paste. So instead of using tomato sauce, guys, I use spaghetti sauce. This is the Filipino styles, yung medyo manamis-namis, okay? But you can use tomato sauce in this recipe. Let's simmer for a bit. So guys, I made 4 different sizes. Kasi different sizes din yung ating chicken breast. That's why it's different sizes now. But now I can add into my sauce and simmer this to low para sigurado tayong lutong-luto yung ating chicken. Okay? So, isisimmer lang natin siya guys ng very low. Alright guys, here it is, our chicken morcon. I know a lot of us love to eat morcon, but usually we use pork for our morcon. That's why guys, I thought I had to make this chicken morcon para sa ating mga high blood dyan na ating mga ka-table. Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video in my channel. Alright guys, till next time again. Bye-bye!